सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबा दें ताकि आपको सारी अपडेट्स मिलती रहें।
Question number 1. The word ombudsman is derived from. Answer option C. Swadesh administration. Question number 2. Under section 3 of the Commission of Inquiry Act 1952, an inquiry commission is appointed by. Answer option A. Central government or state government. Question number 3. Information Technology Act was enacted in. Answer option C. 2000. Question number 4. Government of India passed Information Technology Act in 2000 with objective. Answer option D. All of the above. Question number 5. What is the mean by homicide? Answer option C. Killing of a human being by another human being. Question number 6. Adulteration of food or drink is punishable offence. Answer option C. Under section 272 to 273 of IPC. Question number 7. Maximum punishment for waging a war against the government of India under IPC is. Answer option D. Death sentence. Question number 8. Offences relating to elections are. Answer option B. Are introduced in the IPC by a subsequent amendment. Question number 9. Rupa Bajaj versus KPC Gills is a famous case which is the Supreme Court decided on. Answer option C. Outrage the modesty of a woman. Question number 10. The case Krishna Gopal versus State of MP relates to. Answer option C. Noise and air pollution. Question number 11. What is the punishment for advocates if the established finding of the Bar Council is misappropriation? Answer option D. All of the above. Question number 12. On being aggrieved by the order of State Bar Council, one can appeal to. Answer option C. Bar Council of India. Question number 13. Which section of Advocates Act provides punishment for misconduct of advocates? Answer option A. Section 29. Question number 14. Section 24 of Advocates Act deals with. Answer option B. Qualification to become the advocate journal. Question number 15. Under the Workmen Compensation Act, which is helpful decide the extent of injury for compensation? Question answer option D, B and C. Question number 16. Section 23 of Workmen Compensation Act 1923 says that the commissioner shall have the power of. Answer option A, a court. Question number 17. The objectives of the Industrial Dispute Act 1947 is. Answer option D, all of the above. Question number 18. Section 2 Clause Q of Industrial Dispute Act 1947 provides the definition of. Answer option C, strike. Question number 19. The Land Acquisition Act came into force from. Answer option D, 1st March 1894. Question number 20. Under the Land Acquisition Act, the arable lands mean. Answer option C, useful for cultivation. Question number 21. Section 154 under IT Act is. Answer option C, rectification of mistakes. Question number 22. Which of the following is not included the capital asset under section 2 clause 14 of Income Tax Act? Answer option C, A and B. Question number 23. The language which is used in the arbitral proceedings is decided by. Answer option B, parties to be decided by mutual understandings. Question number 24. The arbitral proceedings shall stand terminated. Answer option D, all of the above. Question number 25. Every award of a Lok Adalat is deemed to be a. Answer option C, decree of a civil court. Question number 26. The Arbitration and the Conciliation Act 1996 Section 18 to 27 states. Answer option A. The conducting of the arbitral proceedings. Question number 27. Which is the authority that determines the language of the court and other than the High Court within the given state under Section 271 of CRPC? Answer option A. State government. Question number 28. A decree can be. Answer option D. Either preliminary or final. Question number 29. Foreign judgment is defined in CPC. Answer option A. Under section 2 clause 6 of CPC. Question number 30. The provision of establishing public service commission is made under. Answer option B. Article 315. Question number 31. Right to personal liberty includes. Answer option D. All of the above. Question number 32. The Supreme Commander of the Defence Force of India is. Answer option A. President. Question number 33. Retirement age of a Supreme Court judge is. Answer option D. 65 years. Question number 34. Criminal Procedure Code is the subject of. Answer option A. Concurrent list. Question number 35. Bailable and non-bailable offence has been defined in. Answer option A. Section 2 clause A of CRPC. Question number 36. Under section 21 of CRPC, special executive magistrate may be appointed by. Answer option D. State government. Question number 37. Police may carry out personal search on an arrested person. Answer option C. Under section 51 CRPC. Question number 38. The special court is. Answer option A. Not subordinate to a high court. Question number 39. The powers under 159 of CRPC can be exercised by a magistrate. Answer option A. When the police decided not to investigate the case. Question number 40. Statement recorded during the investigation under section 161 can be used in a trial. Answer option A. For contradicting the witness. Question number 41. The power of taking cognizance of offence by a magistrate of a first class or second class is provided. Answer option B. Under section 190 of the CRPC code. Question number 42. Additions or alteration of charges is provided in CRPC. Answer option C. Under section 216. Question number 43. Under section 59 to 60 of Indian Evidence Act, the oral statement means. Answer option A. All statements made before the court by the witnesses. Question number 44. Under the Evidence Act, court included. Answer option D. All of the above. No, sorry. A and B. Question number 45. Admissibility of conducts of electronic records may be proved in accordance with the provisions of. Answer option C. Under section 65B of Indian Evidence Act. Question number 46. Which is not a public record as per the provisions of Indian Evidence Act. Answer option C. Documents are correspondence from advocate and the notary office. Question number 45. Section 67 of Motor Vehicle Act 1988 provides. Answer option D. State government's power to control the road transports. Question number 48. Under the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act, the person who's taken in adoption. Answer option A, must be a Hindu only. Question number 49. Polygamy was permitted for Hindus before the year. Answer option A, 1956. Question number 50. Mohan gets married to his sister daughter Kirti. Answer option A, the marriage is valid if the custom allows it. Question number 51. Within the purview of Water Act, the meaning of this term is defined as. Answer option D, include a river, a water course and subterranean river. Question number 52. Check bouncing cases under section 138 of the Negotiable Instrument Act is tried by. Answer option C, magistrate court. Question number 53. Which of the following is not a civil nature? Answer option C, right to caste or religion. Question number 54. In a suit where the doctrine of res judicata applies. Answer option A, the suit is liable to be dismissed. Question number 55. Under section 16 CPC, a suit relating to immovable property can be filed in a court whose local jurisdiction is. Answer option A, where the property is situated. Question number 56. Pleading means. Answer option A, plenty and written statement. Question number 57. On failure to file a written statement under order 8 rule 10 of CPC, the court may. Answer option D, any of the above. Question number 58. Which section of the Specific Relief Act prohibits filing a case against the government? Answer option B, section 6. Question number 59. The Patent Act became a law in. Answer option A, 1970. Question number 60. Which one is not a fundamental right? Answer right to property. Question number 61. In Maneka Gandhi case is observed that. Answer option C, right to go abroad within the ambit of Article 19 Clause A, Clause 19 Clause 1 Clause A, but the confiscation of the passport is not according to the law. Question number 62. Reasonable restrictions can be imposed on the right to free movement. Answer option A, in the interest of a general public. Question number 63. Which of the following can claim Article 19 of Constitution? Answer option C, only citizens. Question number 64. Clause 3 of Article 20 Clause 1 of Indian Constitution says that no accused person shall be compelled to be. Answer option C, a witnesses against himself. Question number 65. Indira Sarne versus Union of India is properly known as. Answer option C, Mandal Commission case. Question number 66. Question number 66. Due to the outcome of this case, slum dwellers were benefited. Answer option B, Alga Talis versus Bombay Municipal Corporation. Question number 67. The minimum number of persons required to incorporate a public company is. Answer option C, 7. Question number 68. A private company can commence business as soon as it receives? Answer option A, certification of incorporation. Question number 69. Which of the following is not an essential of a contract of guarantee? Answer option D, existence of only one contract. Question number 70. The term agent is defined in the Indian Contract Act under section, answer option C, 182 of the Act. Question number 71. What is the maximum number of partners in a banking business? Answer option B, 10. Question number 72. A person who gives the guarantee is called, answer option D, surety. Question number 73. Which is not a right of unpaid seller against the goods? Answer option D, to ascertain price. Question number 74. Section 36 to 42 of Specific Relief Act provides, answer option D, none of the above. Question number 75. The public interest litigation can be filed under, answer option C, A and B. Question number 76. Supreme Court in SP Gupta versus Union of India AIR 1982 SC 149 decided, answer option C, judge's transfer. Question number 77. Supreme Court in a PIL known as Kamal Nath case involved, answer option B, public trust doctrine. Question number 78. Vishakha versus State of Rajasthan case is related to, answer option A, sexual harassment at workplace. Question number 79. Court's power to award compensation is provided in a Specific Relief Act. Answer option B, under section 21. Question number 80. Proofing of handwriting is provided in Indian Evidence Act. Answer option D, B and C, B and A. Question number 81. Section 26 of the Indian Evidence Act provides, answer option A, no confession made by a person in a police custody is administrable. Question number 82. The term evidence means and includes, answer option D, all of the above. Question number 83. Section 2 clause 1 clause ZB of the Trademark Act 1999 defines the meaning that, answer option B, trademark. Question number 84. Outrage and the modesty of the woman is punishable under IPC. Answer option C, section 354. Question number 85. Section 463 of Indian Penal Code deals with the crime of, answer option C, forgery. Question number 86. Criminal intimidation is explained in IPC under, answer option A, section 503 to 506. Question number 87. The term tort is a, answer option B, option A, Latin word. Question number, in tort, what is vicarious liability? Answer option B, a person is liable for the wrongful act done by a other person. Question number 89. Under section 2 clause A clause F of Consumer Protection Act 1986, defect is meant by any fault, imperfection of or shortcomings in dash in relation of the goods. Answer option D, all of the above. Question number 90. Which of the following falls under the categories of act of God? Answer option D, all of the above. Question number 91. Income Tax Act was enacted in. Answer option B, 1961. Question number 92. Income tax Question number 92. Income is defined under section 24 of the Income Tax Act as. Answer option D, all of the above. Question number 93. Provisions of section 80 of CPC are binding on. Answer option D, all of the above. Question number 94. Temporary injunction can be granted. Answer option B, ex parte. Question number 95. Right to appeal is a. Answer option C, statutory rights. Question number 96. The last amendment to the Indian Succession Act was made in. Answer option C, 2002. Question number 97. Which is the correct statement? Answer option A. There can be a will without a codicil. Question number 98. As per section 63 of the Indian Succession Act, a will should be arrested by the. Answer option B, by two or more witnesses. Question number 99. Adat under Mohammedan law refers to. Answer option D, none of the above. Question number 100. Under the Christian Marriage Act, the marriage registrar for any district is appointed by. Answer option A, state government.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबा दें ताकि आपको सारी अपडेट्स मिलती रहें।